I am going to be sharing with you guys the benefits of this avocado hair mask. Alright, so coming up, natural lovers, I am going to be talking about the benefits of the avocado hair mask, so stay tuned. Hey beautiful natural lovers and hey cute natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I'm your girl Shauna and welcome to the family. Thanks for being a part. Before I get into the video, remember to like, share, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Don't be afraid to comment more than one time, and most importantly, remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a new video. Alright, natural lovers, with no further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so based on the title down below, I am going to be sharing with you guys the benefits of this avocado hair mask. The last video that I posted, I was showing you guys how to make the avocado hair mask, and today I am going to be telling you guys about the benefits of this avocado hair mask. So first thing first, there are 3 amazing ingredients in this avocado hair mask, and these ingredients include avocado, egg white, and olive oil. Since the avocado is the main ingredients in this hair mask, I am going to be talking about the benefits of the avocado. We all know that avocado is packed with healthy fats. Yeah, it has a high fat content. Due to the fact that it has a high fat content, what it does with your hair is that it makes your hair shiny, it makes your hair soft. And I never knew that avocado is a natural moisturizing and hair conditioning ingredient. I didn't know that, so I have learned that, right? And because it is a natural moisturizing and hair conditioning ingredient, what it does with your hair is that it helps to prevent dry hair. So if you are a person who are struggling with dry hair, avocado hair mask is a good, hair mask for your hair. And one more thing is that the nutrients that is found in avocado is vitamin E, which stimulates hair growth, and it also prevents hair loss. So that's just some basic information about the avocado. So now I am going to be moving on to the second ingredient, which is egg. The protein in this hair mask, what it does, it allows your hair to be thicker and shinier. That's the benefits of the egg. So now we are moving on to the final ingredients, which is the olive oil. So olive oil is rich in healthy fatty acid. Yeah. And olive oil is really nutritious for your hair scalp. It lubricates dry hair. It regulates oil in normal hair. So olive oil also contains vitamin E, which to me is one of the best vitamins for hair growth. And one more thing about olive oil is that it contains antioxidants that helps to fight off free radicals that are known to damage healthy cells and cause premature graying. Alright, so if you are struggling with damaged hair, I would recommend this avocado hair mask If you made a big chop by cutting your hair off, yeah, and you're starting fresh, I would recommend for you to use avocado hair mask. It's really good for hair growth. Persons who struggles with also split ends, breakage, avocado hair mask is the thing for you. That's all I have for you guys today. I know that this is not a long video. It's a very short video, but I hope you guys learned something from it. And if you guys want to know how to make the avocado hair mask, you can check out my video. I'm gonna be putting the link in the description so you guys can check out that video. Alright, natural lovers, so we have come to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Remember to like up the video by smashing the like button, share the video, blow up the comment section, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed as yet, and most importantly, remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a new video. Natural lovers, road to 1K. Until next time, bye.